Plant-powered living emerged from the need for sustainable food sources as global populations increased, leading to a surge in agricultural practices. The earliest origins trace back to ancient civilizations, where the cultivation of grains and legumes laid the groundwork for modern agricultural techniques. As societies grew and became more complex, the demand for diverse and nutritious food led to the domestication of numerous plant species. Notable advancements in plant-based agriculture occurred in the mid-1800s, including the introduction of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and hybrid crops designed to withstand specific environmental conditions. These innovations significantly boosted crop yields, enabling farmers to feed burgeoning populations and alleviate food scarcity. However, the rise of plant-based diets also sparked a conversation about environmental sustainability, with concerns regarding deforestation, soil depletion, and greenhouse gas emissions from intensive agricultural practices. Despite these challenges, plant-powered living continues to provide substantial health benefits, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Moreover, the movement has fostered a global network of sustainable farming initiatives, organic certification programs, and food labeling regulations. By 2050, projections suggest that the percentage of the global population practicing plant-based diets will continue to rise, driven by growing awareness of health and environmental impact. To optimize future outcomes, integrating advanced precision agriculture techniques, reducing synthetic chemical use, and implementing more resilient and diverse crop rotations could further enhance the sustainability and efficacy of plant-based agricultural practices.